Hey guys, this is Cody with PSI Power. Today we're going to be working on this 2021 Renegade VERONA motorhome. It's equipped with the L9 Cummins and an automatic Allison transmission. So we're going to be installing one of our Ag Diesel Solutions part numbers, being a 12550. This is going to fit anything from a 2020 all the way up to a 2023 L9 Cummins. This engine is rated at 360 horse at 2200 RPM. So today we're going to install the module, we're going to put it on the dyno and see what kind of horsepower numbers we can get out of it. So as you open the box, what you're going to get is the engine harness, the module, the 3-position switch, your detailed pictured instructions showing where everything's at to hook up, and some zip ties to mount and secure the module out of the way. So on this application, we're going to be plugging into both sets of injector connectors and the map sensor. So the fan injector connector, what we call, is up here. Your flywheel is back here. And then your map sensor is located right there. So to start this install, we're going to start on the fan injector connector up here. So what you're going to do is disconnect the factory connection and then route our harness away from any heat, moving parts, etc. Plug in the factory connection to our harness. You're going to hear the factory tabs lock into place. And then take the female connector and plug it back into the engine. You will also hear those click. And then now we're going to work towards the flywheel side of the engine and hook up that injection connector. So now that we're on the back side of the engine, we're going to disconnect the factory injector connector in the rear. Just like we did on the front side of the engine, we're going to take our factory harness, plug it back into your wiring harness on the engine. And then take the other connector and plug it back into the injector plug on the head. So now that we got both set of injector connectors plugged up, now we're going to move to the map sensor, which is located just right under the flywheel injector connector. So here you can see it's unhooked. Just like the injector connectors, you're going to plug our harness into the factory harness. And then take the other connector and plug it back into your map sensor. Now that we've got the injectors and the map sensor plugged in, now we're going to hook up power and ground. So I went ahead and already did that. So what I did is I routed it across the engine bay, around moving parts, heat, and went along factory wiring harnesses. I've got it grounded to the alternator body here that we've already cleaned up previously, and then I got it hooked up to the hot stud off of the alternator. So to wrap up the installation, as we did for the power and ground, we routed any excess wiring to factory harnesses to keep them away from any heat or moving parts, especially over here on the driver's side. You've got the steering shaft. So I've got everything mounted out of the way, away from heat. And then to finish it up, we mounted the module up here out of the way against the firewall with the connector coming out of the bottom of it to keep moisture and corrosion from building up inside. And then we've got our 3-position switch mounted right here out in the open to where it's easy accessible. And that pretty much sums up this installation.